Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling or disabling handoff on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Handoff lets you start something on one device and immediately pick it up on other devices also logged into your iCloud account. The app you're using on Apple Watch appears in the app switcher on your iPhone and in the dock on your Mac. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down Settings and select General. Scroll down the General settings and tap Handoff. You can now tap the toggle to enable or disable handoff. When the toggle is green, handoff is enabled, and when grey, it is switched off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.